Hello everyone, let's learn how to remove background in any photo using Canva. Removing background from images is one of the most used photo editing features to enhance photos. So in this tutorial you will learn how to remove the background from a photo and improve your editing skills. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Canva app on your device. If you don't have that app yet, go to Play Store or App Store and download the app. This app is absolutely free. Next, you need to click on plus button in the bottom of the screen and select size of your working space to start creating your design. After that, go to add photo on this working space and download this photo from site pixels.com. On that site, all picture and video are absolutely free. Then to remove background from photo you will have to use a pro version of Canva. Now it currently costs $10 per month, but if you didn't want to pay, Canva offers you a free trial for a period of 14 days. So start a free try and activate Canva Pro. Also, you can cancel your subscription after 14 days if you don't want to pay for it. When you activate Canva Pro, you need to go on Tools bar and click on Effects option. That opens side menu, and you need to click on first option called Background Remover. Then Canva automatically remove background from that photo, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.